Time to get... We all can duel... This duel deserves nothing less than my 100%. Time to throw down. Duel! Here I go. Take to the skies. Elemental Hero Stratos. Stratos' effect activates. I'm counting on you, buddy. I fusion summon a monster. My monster's effect activates. My monster's effect activates. From my hand, I activate a quick play spell. Just what I was waiting for. I reveal my face down card. My counter trap activates. Join the cat. I activate my monster's effect. I activate my spell card. Spiral flip, ladies and gentlemen. Perform a now on ice dissolver. I set the pendulum scale. Sweet! Just what I was waiting for. Check out my face down card. I activate a quick play spell. I set the pendulum scale. Swing far, pendulum. Carve the arc of victory. My monsters are ready to swing into action. Pendulum summon. Time Gazer Magician. Here's the ace of my deck. Odd-Eyes Phantom Dragon. I activate my monster's effect. I know what to do. Join the cast. I synchro summon a monster. From my hand, I activate a field spell. Can't wait to see what you do. Yeah! I end my turn. I draw. Time to battle. Take this. I attack with my monster. Oh! Now's my chance. Go! Odd-Eyes Persona Dragon. Go! My monster attacks. You gotta be kidding me. Quick play spell, super pop. I fusion summon a monster. Swirl up a storm. Elemental Hero, Great Tornado. I activate Odd-Eyes Persona Dragon's effect. Do your thing, Great Tornado. Super Cut. End my turn. Your move. I'm taking control of this duel. Starting now! It's my turn! I draw! I pendulum summon a monster! Here's the ace of my deck! Odd-Eyes Phantom Dragon! I'm setting a card! I'm only fine with losing if I know I gave it my all! I end my turn! Now's my chance! I flip, swirl up a storm! Elemental Hero, Great Tornado! Let's battle! Go! My monster attack! We'll see about that! Odd-Eyes Pendulum Dragon! I draw, go! Odd-Eyes Persona Dragon! Join the cast! I activate my monster's effect! Come on out! I link summon a monster! Swing far, pendulum! Carve the arc of victory! My monsters are ready to swing into action! Pendulum Suck, here's the ace of my deck! Turn up the Odd-Eyes Pendulum Dragon! dragon with raging eyes. Conquer all that stand against you. Rise up with fury. Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon. Come on out. I built the overlay network and see summon. Battle, go. My monster attacks. Go. My monster, okay. Odd Eyes Phantom Dragon, attack. Phantom Final Flame. Hurt. Odd Eyes Phantom Dragon's effect activates. Atomic Force. I want everyone to enjoy the duel, especially my opponent. This is me at the top of my game.
This is my strategy for victory!
This duel deserves nothing less than my 100%!
Remember the #1 rule of dueling. To have fun, duel!
My turn, ladies and gentlemen! Join the cast! I activate my monster's effect! Perform a I activate Odd Eyes Dissolver's effect! I'm counting on you! Fusion Summon! I'm counting on you! I Link Summon a monster! I activate my monster! I set the pendulum scale! I set the pendulum scale! Swing far, pendulum! Carve the arc of victory! My monsters are ready to swing into action! Pendulum Summit! Join the cast! Join the cast! Stargazer Magician! Come on out! I Synchro Summon a monster! I activate my monsters! Go! I know what to do! I Link Summon a monster! I set the pendulum scale! I'm setting a card! I activate Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon's Pen! I activate a pen! I'm counting on you! Can't wait to see
Here
what
I
you
go.
do! I end my turn!
I'm gonna soar through the... I activate the spell card, Luminous Circle! Recital Starling's effect activates when she's in Speed Summon! I activate my particular spell, Luminous Perception! From my hand, I activate a spell card. Battle! Assembled Legendary Attack! Recital Starling's Roar! Find a way to win!
Gotta have
I
heart!
end my
I
turn.
draw! From my hand! I activate a field! Can't let this show end yet!
Whatever
I
you
have more
draw,
surprises!
I activate the spell card, Luminous Sparkle! Luminous Pit! From high above, rank 1 Lurelus assembled Nightingale! Lurelus, Celestine Blacktail! My beautiful bird, organize above the battlefield! Exceed summon! Join me! Rank 1 Lurelus! Recital Starling's effect active. I use one overlay to activate my
I
Nightingale
activate
effect!
my monster's effect!
This attack will end the duel! My monster attack!
I activate Odd Eyes Persona Dragon's effect!
Ah! If I want to make everyone happy, I have to get stronger.
That's what dual-taining is all about.